7 Seconds by Porridge Radio. And I can't tell you that I'm wasted. And I can't tell you that I'm wasted on you. And I think about your body and how it's wasted. It's wasted. First we'll cover the chord progression, and we'll talk about some of the riffs and stuff. And I can't tell you that I'm wasted. And I can't tell you that I'm wasted on you. And I think about your body, how it's wasting, how it's wasting. 'Cause you can't hear me, you can't hear a word I'm saying. That's the whole song is done over the same chord progression. Okay, it's a G, D. It's very classic chord progression. E minor, C. G is the 1 chord, C is the 5, E minor is the 6, and C is the 4. So I guess it's a 1, 5, 6, 4, you might call it. But don't worry about that if you don't know what I'm talking about. It's all right. Okay, so that's the chord progression you're going to be playing out of. And then there's a little guitar riff that goes through there, something like something like that. It's towards the end. It's played, and what this is G. This is the E minor pentatonic. And this is a little extension box. So the box is 3/5 on the high E, 3/5 on the B, and 4 on the G. So. One of the good things about the song for guitar is that you can play the E minor pentatonic, and that's the relative minor of G. So most of this song you can play with the E minor, and then some of it goes into the A minor, but that's okay too, because A minor is also that's your 5th string root. And really the only thing that's different so much is this note, the C. That's used prominently in the melody. So that's not in the G major, I don't think. And like the synthesizers playing all these kind of. exercise is playing these arpeggios of the chords. So you could just play like, that's G. I'm playing the A shape at the 12th fret. And then we can go to the D. That's out of your D bar chord. It's at the 7th fret. Strings 4, 3, 2. These are all like A shape that I'm showing you. Now the next one is E minor. We can play that at the 8th fret using this A minor shape. So we're just going to move it up to the 8th and 9th fret. And then go back to the A shape. That's a, you can play rhythm guitar like this during parts of this song. Okay, and those are all A or A minor shapes. 12, 7, 8, and 9. 5. Talking about the fret 5. All right, that's basically what the keyboards are playing. And then that's the melody. It's right in this E minor and A minor. And that's all the little guitar riffs you are hearing in the song. They're just like little. They're just little riffs like that. Those are all being played in the E minor and the A minor pentatonics, which give you G for the E minor and C major for the A minor. All right, so that should give you all you need to know to play this song. Have fun. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.